Hi tech lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of innovation with a countdown of the 7 best gadgets you absolutely need to know about. From cutting-edge tech to game-changing devices, so let's get started. Stay cool on the go with this versatile mini handheld fan. Featuring a powerful 4,500 mAh rechargeable battery, it offers long-lasting airflow and doubles as a power bank for your devices. It also includes a built-in flashlight, making it a perfect companion for outdoor adventures. The Lenovo Z908 Pro Max drone is a cutting-edge, professional-grade quadcopter designed for high-quality aerial photography and videography. Equipped with an 8K HD dual-camera system, it captures stunningly detailed images and video. The drone features advanced optical flow and obstacle avoidance technology for safe and precise flight. The waterproof windproof electric plasma arc lighter is a versatile and durable lighting tool designed for all weather conditions. Featuring a sleek, transparent design, this USB rechargeable lighter combines a powerful plasma arc with an integrated flashlight. Its waterproof and windproof capabilities ensure reliable ignition in any environment, making it an essential accessory for outdoor adventures and emergencies. The LED Galaxy projector light transforms any room into a mesmerizing cosmic experience. Designed to project a colorful galaxy sky, it adds a stunning visual effect to bedrooms. This night light creates a soothing, starry ambience with adjustable colors and patterns, perfect for relaxation or bedtime. The Tujika lemon juicer is designed for effortless squeezing juice. This handheld squeezer quickly extracts every last drop from lemons, lime or other small fruits with ease, making juicing efficient and effortless. Not like traditional press juicer or citrus reamer, this juicer features a clever lever design that making it effortless to use, much easier than the traditional ones. Revolutionize your kitchen with this smart portable countertop dishwasher. Featuring intuitive app control, it offers convenient, intelligent operation for efficient dishwashing. Perfect for compact spaces, it delivers powerful cleaning performance while saving time and effort. Ideal for modern homes looking for smart, space-saving solutions. Keep your phone safe and accessible with this self-adhesive, touchscreen-friendly phone bracket. Ideal for the shower or bathroom, this wall-mounted stand features a waterproof design to protect your device while allowing easy screen interaction. Enjoy hands-free convenience and secure storage for your phone in wet environments. The Lenovo Z908 Pro Max drone is a cutting-edge,